My name is Trent, and the company is Northern Choo. We decided to name it. This is the train we're building this week, and we're focusing mostly on the front, getting the cab built. It's going pretty smoothly so far. We got the windows cut, everything's cut. We got our subframe made. It's all come together nicely. Yeah, this is mainly what we've been focusing on, though.
Okay, what issues have you dealt with this week? Any issues? Anything?
Not really, nothing major, no. Just bottlenecking. It's such a small area, this section, so it's hard to get every guy on there. So we can only have 1 or 2 workers at a time, really. So just bottlenecking issues. So we've been focusing on the finer details, the other guys.
And how's it working with the other company?
The other company is fine. We don't really mesh together right now. Everyone's focusing on something else to keep the workspace open so we don't rub shoulders.
My name's Liam Swart. I'm with Motley, Choo. So we're just here hanging out. This week we kind of got the main train left over to the first company, and then we took over the flatbed for the rear end of the train. I mean, trying to work around each other has been a bit of a pain, but we're getting it done, just kind of working in our own areas, I guess, but that's about it.
Okay, so you're working on the flatbed, your company is this week?
Yeah. So originally we built the main flat deck here, and then Northern Choo has been building the cab and the cladding for the back. They did the wheels and the plow, the hitches, but we've just kind of done the main frame, and then the second company's done all the details and the cab work.
Right on. Okay. Anything else you want to add?
Nothing really. It's been a treat.